Want to break into construction? It's easier than you think, and I'll show you exactly how to do it today. Hey guys, I'm Josh with Training Hands Academy. I've been in the construction industry for well over 25 years. And when I first got started, I was just like you, not knowing exactly where to begin. So in this video, I'm going to share with you the 3 steps that I would take if I had to start it all over again. Step 1, choose the right construction career. Before we jump in, it's really important to first understand which area of construction best fits your interests and your goals. If you enjoy something that you're doing, you have a better chance of doing it long term. Ask yourself, do you want more of an office-based role? If so, a position like project manager might be a good fit. Do you prefer working with your hands in the field? If you like seeing the physical results of your labor, trade work could be the way to go. Or maybe you want a mix of both. If so, a production manager role might be ideal. Thinking of starting your own business someday? Learning the trade first will give you the experience and confidence to succeed with less risk. For me, I knew I wanted to start my own business. I really enjoyed being in the field and seeing the fruits of my labor, but I also knew that I enjoyed a little bit of office work. And that's how I ran my business for years until I got to the point where I hired some people to do the day-to-day labor while I, in the back end, managed the projects. That shift gave me the freedom to pursue other opportunities both within my business and beyond. There's no right or wrong answer here. Just commit 110% to the path that fits you the best. Once you've figured that out, you're ready for step 2. Step 2, learn as you go. Now that you know the path you want to take, it's time to build some skills. Now you can go to college or trade school or get an online certification, but you need to choose wisely. The truth is, traditional schooling doesn't always prepare you for real-world construction work. Many graduates finish with a degree, but they lack hands-on skills, which can make it difficult to get hired. The good news? You don't need a degree to get into construction. Most companies care more about what you can do rather than where you went to school, which means that you can start working, make money, and learn skills on the job, all the while not incurring any debt from student loans. And if your goal is to start your own business one day, learning on the job greatly reduces your risk because you already understand the industry, you're familiar with terminology before you even go out on your own. Once you develop skills, you're ready for step 3. Step 3, showcase your skills and get noticed. After building your skills, the next step is to get in front of the right people. Now that might mean getting a job at a construction company or getting your first client for your own business. The best way to do that, the best way to start, is by networking. Everybody knows someone who needs work done on their home. Start by using your existing network to spread the word. Showcase your work on social media to attract potential clients or employers. Talk to as many people as possible within your warm market, the people you already know, to generate leads. If you don't have an existing network, cold call a local construction company and introduce yourself. Share with them the skills that you've developed and let them know that you understand the industry terminology. And share with them that you're excited about quality work and your dedication to excellence. This kind of proactive approach automatically sets you apart from everyone else because it proves that you're motivated and you're willing to contribute. Many construction companies are struggling to find skilled workers. So if you confidently present yourself as someone who is willing to hit the ground running, there's a great chance that you'll get the job even if you lack years of experience. Here's my final thoughts. Breaking into the construction industry with zero experience is easier than you think. However, it does take effort, humility, and a strong desire to work hard and to start from the bottom. If you choose the right career path, build your skills without wasting years or thousands of dollars in schooling, and put yourself out there and actively seek opportunities, and you'll be on the fast track to a solid construction career faster than you think, especially in today's market. If you're ready to take the next step, here are 2 ways that I can help you. First, join my online community. If you have questions or need guidance before moving forward, you can join my free community. You'll get personal advice from me, you'll be able to ask questions and connect with others learning the trade. And if you need one-on-one help, I also offer coaching calls and training in the classroom section. The second way is check out Course Careers. If you're looking for a structured way to break into construction, Course Careers is a great option. They offer a smart, low-risk way to explore different paths and build job-ready skills without the cost and time of traditional schooling. If this video helped you out, hit the thumbs up, drop me a comment, and of course you can always reach out to me and any of my platforms if and when you need help. Thanks for watching. God bless.